Hey, this is Gary Kay from the Rave Agency and Rave Pubs, and I wanted to take this opportunity to do a last call for ISE sponsorships, and I want to brag a little bit and make an offer to you. First, the brag. We had over 3.5 million video views from ISE 2023. That was a record number for a show. Whatever videos we make for you, they're going to get seen by people. We do a really good job making sure they're seen on YouTube, but also on our website, but also in social media. Better than anyone. We have over 140,000, almost 140,000 social media followers now globally. And if you've made a big investment in ISE and you want a way to amplify that globally, so people that are not at the show see what you showed at the show, we are the best company to do that for you. And I have a new thing that I'm doing this year that I only have a few spots left, and that is a deep dive on a product. We call them product deep dives. So if you have a special product that you think deserves a little bit more attention and you want me to go in the inside of the product and explain the application for the product while we're doing an interview with you at the show, there's a few more of those available. There's a few booth tours available. So I can literally walk around your booth and do a video tour. Those are the most popular videos we do. Those get thousands of views in some cases. So that's an awesome opportunity. And then we have one-on-one interviews. We have custom video appointments, but we are all about video. So if you want exposure, if you want people not just on the show floor to find out what you're doing at ISE, and you want people outside of just ISE and just outside of Barcelona seeing what you're doing at ISE, we are the best company to do it. So contact us, click on any of the links below, and make sure that you take a chance and take this opportunity, because the show starts in 2 weeks. So you don't have much time left, and we only have a few different sponsorships left. So contact Kirsten, contact Josh, or contact me. I'll make sure you get to the right person, Gary at theraveagency.com.